I have been waiting to introduce this to you. Actually, that's not even true. I've been waiting to use this myself. This is the Lexar Professional Workflow Go. Now, what is this in a nutshell? Remember Narbox? Remember that Lexar drive thing that sort of worked but never really did? Well, this is the replacement. Finally, we have exactly what we need. First, for us wedding photographers, when we're trying to get our second photographer footage the night of the wedding, and videographers as well. Or if you're like me and you travel something like 150 days a year and you want to back up your files without necessarily lugging around your laptop, this is it, the Lexar Professional Workflow Go. Now, let me just show you about this beauty. We've got this detachable power bank, magnetized, and then these are 2 slots. Now, these slots we're going to put in our card reader and one of the SSD drives that goes right in. I've got a 2 terabyte one in here, and then I've got my SD card readers. Now, there are plenty of different card readers you can grab, but look, that's it. That's all we need to get going, to get our footage, our photos off of memory cards safely onto SSD drives when we are on the go. Let me tell you a little bit more about the Workflow Go and what makes it so special and blazing fast. Now, you can plug this right into your phone or into a portable SSD reader. You have 2 more USB-C ports on the side in addition to the charger for the detachable battery. And it's really fast for those of us who are transferring big files. It can transfer up to 10 gigabytes per second. There's no laptop required. You can easily just offload your cards onto this solid state drive via the Lexar app. It's super simple. You just plug right into your phone, select where the media is coming from and where you want it to go. From card reader to SSD drive in a flash. It's super fast and really convenient just being able to back up on the go. Like you expect from Lexar, you've got an aluminum body that's really durable and scratch resistant, and up to 4.5 hours of battery time, which is more than enough for what I'm going to use this for. And one of the great things about this is, you have your 2 bays. If you want, you could do a dual slot with a CF Express as well as an SD, which is really handy for me because I shoot with both of those card formats. So you can grab a reader with dual slots like that, and then you can have multiple SSD drives. This one's a 2 terabyte drive, and I can have multiple ones of these depending on how many backups I would like to make while I'm on the road. And then of course, these portable SSD drives are going to fit right into the docks on your Lexar Workflow Hub. What you've got at your desktop that makes unloading and backing up files an absolute breeze. So having these things seamless and connected on the go. I'm not gonna lie, I knew about this thing for like a year. They announced it at NAB, I think a year ago, and I have just been waiting to get my hands on it, and I am so excited to start using this in the field. This is an absolute game changer for me. Check it out in the link below. Let me know your thoughts about the Workflow Go. Lexar, thank you for coming out with such great stuff. See you next time. By the way, I'm Vanessa Joy. I take pictures.